Hello students. Now the next step which I am going to discuss is the insert tab. Now in this option we have the cover page option where you want to like to add the different cover page for your document, or you want to add a blank page, or you want to if you want to add a page break options. So these are the some of the options available, or you would like to add a table. Depending on your size of the table, you can select whatever the size you would like to add. Okay, next is the picture option. You can select from online pictures if you are connected to internet, or from the device. Okay, or from the device. For example, I have added this icon. Okay, we will cover image editing and table editing in the later videos. Next, if you want to add some of the shapes which are predefined already available, let's say I've added square. Okay, or icons. For this you need to be connected with the internet. This option is only available in the newer versions of the Word. 3D models, again this option is only available in the newer versions. Now if you want to add chart, you can also add chart of your choice, whichever you want to add. Okay, we will discuss this when we study Excel. Again I'm going towards the insert option. I can also add a screenshot option. For example, I am going to add a screenshot. Okay, which are as is even given here. There are various screenshot options which are available, whatever you would like to add. Okay, again insert options. Next options are add online videos. This only works if you are using your internet, or you can add other videos manually. You can bookmark. Okay, you can bookmark if you want to add. You can add cross reference you would like to add. If you would like to comment, okay, you can just comment here. Okay, so this is how it works. You can also add header if you would like to add. We will cover in details in the further later videos. Or you would like to add a footer. For example, if you want to like to add a page number, you can add here. Okay, whatever you'd like to add. Okay, you can all use automated functions also. You can add page number, top of the page, bottom of the page margins, current position. Also, you can also format page numbers. So if you would like to add a text box, similarly here you can also add a text box. Okay, now if you want to add other, for example, auto text field, something like options, you can add by this option. If you want to use different word styles, you can use this option. Okay, or you want to add a signature line, you can add just by adding your signature line here. Or you would like to add, let's say, date, you can add this by this option. You would like to add object, you can add by this option. Or if you want to add a equation, there are some of the inbuilt equations which are also available. For example, I am writing here equation for the standard deviation. Or I would like to add a symbol. Okay, for example, lambda symbol. Okay, you can add this. Now this open pixel and emoji keyboard, these are the add-ins which are given here. In the older versions, these add-ins are not available. So that's all for this video. In next video we are going to discuss the design tab.